Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. I'm so excited that you're here today because this is our beautiful June class to go. Don't these cards just scream June and summer and happy to you? I think they're beautiful. We focused on using the in colors, the new in colors from Stampin' Up, which I have to say, this is the very first time ever that I have loved every single in color. There's usually always one color that I'm a little on the fence about or that I just plain don't care for. But this year, Stampin' Up, they just did it. They brought me colors that I love. So here's how our kits come. They come packaged in a cello bag, and you get 2 kits per card. So you get 4 designs total, 2 of each, for a total of 8 kits. Envelopes come with the kits, so you don't have to worry about not having an envelope. And they're all packaged in our cello bags, as I said. Now, the great thing about our class to go is that you can also get the stamp sets. So this time we are offering, you can either get just the stamp set. You can choose to either get the accented blooms or the varied vases stamp set, or you can get the varied vases bundle, or you can get it all and save $5. So check out all the details for this on my blog at loveandstampin.com. And now you can look right under classes, and then it's going to bring you to current class to go, and that's where you're going to want to click on to find out all the info. Thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope you're having a fabulous day. I know I am, and I hope you have an awesome rest of your week. Thanks so much, and I'll talk to you again soon. Oh, by the way, you can click on either video here to watch those or subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.